Imagine a child losing his or her life over making noise while playing. This is the story of a 6-year-old boy, Tyron, murdered in cold blood in RARIEDA constituency, Kenya. In November 2025, Tyron, according to witnesses, was playing with other children near his grandmother's homestead. Ouma, a 31-year-old man, later approached Tyron to warn them to stop making noise while playing. The children later ignored the warnings and continued playing. Ouma got angry and stepped out carrying a panga. Ouma reportedly chased young Tyron towards his grandmother's compound before descending on him with the panga. Tyron succumbed to death due to deep cuts on the head and neck. Ouma was later arrested after police officials found the boy's body in a pool of blood in his grandmother's homestead. Subscribe and continue watching.